ka principal Dewdrop Academy Friendship School nong sken ka kong Jenny Bafa Bepat ka Ther gitu gibre bamlen ban Bein le ayu MLA Pynursla ba Prestone tensong ya ka consistency rajan absence nem brami kmat ha bakran ka jing pla ya ka bos school ha nong sken na sa jan ka kong Jenny Bafa ka ong ba ka ya keleng jaka ka jela ha bagi breu ki kenta ayu ba Prestone hakiran san social media ka ibu ale hakisan snem ko MLA kami syakmat ban ya site nia namta jong u ka ong ba ka pha ki dul sekita ki breu ki jukran ban yu MLA bat ka ong kita ki breu ba kim dai ban he ni ya kham da yo i ya jing sisya bat ka juwer ki bakin one page hi ya constituency ban yo i ya ki kam jong u MLA ba sakren ka ong ba wat kren he ni ya kham da one ban page i da ki jong ki khmat hakan ni kasngi ba Prestone apply ka bus school ka panyo anak chief minister special development fund haka jingma nga bakat khandai point san lak haka jingdan lang ka MDC ka congress merikapuri bdu bat ki weipan
very much into the constituency and all over the state. Whenever people talk about him in the social media, my friends far and across, they will say that what he's doing. He has been an MLA for 5 and he's the deputy chief minister. What has he done for your constituency? Then I would just send a picture. I said, I have come across the state, travel around the state all over Meghalaya. You come and see my state, my constituency, and then you speak. Without seeing, please shut up your mouth. They cannot fight with me. I always say that if you want the picture also, I said I can send, they can't negotiate anymore. I would say, don't speak before you come and see. I'll give you, please come to my house. I'll allow you to stay here, see first, and then comments. So then this is the way I keep them shut their mouth. So sir has already done so much, okay, and he will be doing much more. I hope that he has seen us. Then he will be also helping us whatever we are in need. And we also have here, Ma'am Grace, who are also done so much for the constituency. Happy to have you here. Ma'am, we look forward to continue to work with you. And Sir BDO, he's also the one who helped getting for the speed delivery of the school bus. I text him, I said, sir, this is the one, we have to do it before, and then he get it done. So this is the one, the process is walking all around, and we get it really done. And it's very privileged again to have you all here. So thank you so much. Without further ado, today, and I came to know that you came to the village, and I took this opportunity to do the inauguration of the bus. And I would like to say thank you so much for this. I will tell you, when I write a proposal to the CM for our school bus, and then I send a message to sir telling sir we have a proposal. Then sir, I remember the word he said, I'll get it done. I'll get it done. Give a big hands. And it truly happened within a month. So thank you very much, sir. So the sanction of this bus, it's 18,05,000. And we procured this bus 27.5, including all the registration and all. And the support which we got from Anand Bangalore, 3,000 or 3 lakhs, sorry. And from Sunbird Trust, we also got 3 lakhs. And with the remaining amount, we also taking a small little bit loan to fill up. Because if we carry this, take a small one, it will not be sufficient for our students. So this is the story. And we also say that when we begin the school in 2019, we begin with 15 students. And then now we shifted to 2021 here. The land's given by my mother. It's from here to down there. And initially this all very rough. But we make little until it becomes this much. And Sir Prestone is very passionate about our school. And whenever I go and tell him, sir, we need the road, I send a picture and then it happened. And we got this also because of him. So he has done with us a lot. So this is for you, my dear children. So a big hands for that again. Thank you so much. So, yeah.
Entering this campus, in fact, it was just a dream for me. I met Jenny not less than 5-6 times. That time she just came back from, I think, Maharashtra or something, from Mumbai. Then she told me about her dream. She would like to have this kind of schools where she would like to see that young boys, young girls get equal opportunity in their studies. And I'm really shocked to see the hard work done by the principal has reached this stage. So thank you so much, Jenny. Thank you so much. God will keep blessing you, and I'm sure He will shower His wisdom upon you. And with your strong team, your teachers who are all here, you look so dedicated. And I am always there. Congress is always there, being an MDC. And not only that, on behalf of the government, we are there with you. Your kumkanika jai school, the snowba, shim yakanika kabuksiar, bandi yakanika jingnang gajik start, tam kanika surrounding, kabasgotanat kabaitanat hadu katakata. Namar balay, habangin lake ban puli, niyay rengkat baka environment. Belong so healthy. I think, Madam Principal, maybe, I don't know, maybe ultimately this campus can be converted into a residential school. Maybe I think your dream is a little bit there. So we are there together, and let us maybe convert it into a full-fledged residential school of this area. And I'm very sure by doing that, by starting that, it will really boost the education sector in this area. So I don't want to